Hello, English 100 class. My name's Alex Sterling. Welcome to your Canvas course. This is a short video to get you started with Module 0. When you come to Canvas, you will always click on the Start Here button, and that takes you to the modules. There's one module for every week of the course, and so that's the short version about how to take an online class. Every week you do the module, which is a bunch of stuff in a folder. In the first week of the semester, there's two modules. One is Module 0, which is introductory things. And then the week 1 module is the things you need to do this week by Thursday that have to do with, the English 100 content. So we get started on our English 100 stuff. Let's go back to Module 0. So a couple highlights. One is that I want everyone to know how to talk to me. So this is your communication and office hours page. I want you to sign up for an app called Remind that allows you to send me a text, and I get your text in my computer. Don't worry, I don't get your phone number, so I won't call you Friday night. But it's a good tool. Also, there's my email. I have in-person office hour because I'm teaching in-person classes also. And I have office hour in Zoom. In order to get to office hour in Zoom, you click on this button over here on the left called Alex's Office, and that takes you straight to it. It's a one-on-one Zoom call. That's kind of like calling me on the phone, but it's a video call. All right, let's go back to Module 0. You have various things in here, such as my Meet Your Professor video about getting the first book. The syllabus is really important. The syllabus for every course you need to read very carefully because it has all the basic facts and information about the course you're taking. So you will read this whole document. You can download it and save it in your computer if you want. And then when you're done, you click Next. And so it's in 3 parts. Part 2 is the course schedule. And then Part 3 is policies and grading. This stuff is not too important at the moment, but it is good to see, how you're going to be graded and things like that. Okay? So let's go back to Module 0. And a couple other things. There's various resources in here that you can just look at quickly for now. So technical assistance, how to get help with technology. You can just skim this, and then if you've never used Canvas before, you could watch this little video. But some of these resources, you go look when you need help with something. Okay? And there's a discussion. In the discussion, you will answer these questions, and all your classmates see the answers. So this is something about an online class, is you talk with your classmates. You don't just hand stuff in to me. What else? And this one is very important. So easy assignment, tell me about yourself. I will be in contact with every single one of you on a one-on-one basis during this course. So even though it's online, you can't hide. I'm going to talk to you, and that is good for English 100 because you really want to talk with me about your essays, and I can help you succeed that way. And so this is some information about yourself that I want you to give me. Okay, so the basic idea is that you start at the beginning of a module. You read, you do whatever it says, and then down at the bottom you click Next. That's how it works. You're going to do that every week. Okay? And again, in week 1, this first week, you have 2 modules. Doing all this won't take that long, so don't worry. I'm not overloading you. Most of these will be fairly quick. And then you have Module 1, which is really about the course and getting started on our first book and things like that. Okay? So, by Thursday, August 26th, you need to do Module 0 and the Week 1 module. That's it. Thanks.